Hello everyone, thank you for visiting my channel. Today I would like to share with you how to make chicken pho, the Vietnamese famous noodle soup. I have made pho with oxtail and beef in my previous video. I will leave the link to the video on the description box below this video. So if you would like to make it with beef, check it out. We will need 2 chicken bones that I blanched with hot water and washed, and 1 whole chicken. This is a free-range chicken. Roast a medium-sized onion and a medium-sized piece of ginger. I have here a hot pot of water. I will add about half a teaspoon of salt. Cover the lid to bring this pot to a boil. Add the chicken. I've washed this chicken with vinegar and salt and water. Add the roasted onion and the roasted ginger. Cover the lid and bring this pot to a boil. Once it is boiled, just open the lid and let it cook for about 15 minutes. After 7 minutes of cooking the chicken, flip the chicken upside down and then cook it for another 7 minutes. This is after I cook the chicken for 7 minutes with the tummy facing down. I will now cover with the lid and turn off the stove and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, now I will remove the chicken onto a plate and let it cool down to room temperature. I have here 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, about 3 cinnamon sticks, 3 cardamons, about 10 star anise, and about 1 tablespoon of cloves. I will roast everything except the coriander seeds on a medium-low heat for about 30 seconds. I put everything in a bag like this and tie it up so that they will not floating around in your pot. Add the bag of seasoning to the pot, as well as the 2 chicken bones, and then I'll bring this pot to a boil. After the pot come to a boil, I will simmer this pot for about 1 hour. Here is the chicken. I will now take off the meat, and then I will put this bone back onto the pot. Here is the pot after 1 hour of boiling. Now I will add the chicken bone. I will now simmer this pot for another 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, here's the pot after an hour and a half of simmering on the stove. I will now remove all the bones, scoop off the fat, run the broth through 2 strainers in order to achieve the clear and clean broth. Add more hot water to fill up the pot. Add 3 tablespoons of chicken powder. Add 5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Mix well, and the broth is now ready to be served with the rice noodles and shredded chicken. Add the rice noodles to the bowl. Add the shredded chicken. Add the white portion of the green onions. I pre-soaked it in hot water as well, so it is partly cooked. Add a few slices of white onions, and add chopped green onions and coriander. Pour the soup broth over the rice noodles, the shredded chicken, and here look at the delicious bowl of chicken fur. Here's the delicious bowl of pho. It can be served with bean sprouts and Thai basil. If you like this recipe and find this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to support my channel. Thanks again for watching.